Everyone, let's make this beautiful scenery. We are using simple techniques and methods to draw this scenery, like trace this line on the top of the mountains like this, and look, it's ready. Similar way, we are going to draw the cliff and crumple some tissue paper. Using them, we are going to make this beautiful cherry blossom. So trace this pink paint on the top of it. Now draw the canopy and trunk of the tree, and look, it's ready. Now draw a little house, draw its doors and windows, add more colors like we're doing here. We're going to make some green tree using crumpled tissue paper. So trace all of them like this. Similar way, draw the birds and add more details, and look, your beautiful scenery is ready. Look how pretty this is looking. Look at this beautiful Christmas tree. First, we are going to color the canvas red. Now take a toothbrush and we are going to make the Christmas tree like this. Spread all the paint like we are doing here. Now take this white paint as well. Spread all of them, and look, we are just using this brush. Draw the trunk and the snow on the ground. Spread some on the top of the canvas. Draw the star, and look, your beautiful painting of Christmas tree is ready. It is perfect for Christmas Day. Look at this beautiful scenery. Let's draw it. First, spread this light blue color. Now tear this paper. Using this paper, we are going to draw mountains. Look, trace it like we're doing here. Put it on the top of the canvas and draw mountains like this. You can hold it in different ways like we're doing here. After this, we're going to draw the tree as well. Draw the tree tongue and crumple some tissue paper and dab it on the canvas like this, and look at this beautiful tree. Add more shades of green like this, and look, it's ready. Now we are making these flying birds using brush, and look, your beautiful scenery is ready. In this video, we are going to make a beautiful scenery. So let's get started. First, we are going to spread these 3 different paint. Now merge all of them like this. We are making the sky and a beautiful landscape. After this, we are adding some more color like these bushes and a beautiful tree like this. Spread all the paint like we are doing here. We are making this purple color of tree. Now we are adding some pink color as well, and look how pretty the textures are looking. We are also making a deer drinking the water like this. Similar way, add more trees and branches and some fallen flowers, and look, your beautiful scenery is ready. Do try this at home. In this video, we are going to make a beautiful scenery. Look at the sunset and the colors. Let's draw it. First, put a circle at the center. Now merge all the colors together like this. This way, you can easily make the sun. Now we are going to make a beautiful cliff on the top of it. Take this thick brush and spread the color like this. Now add more details like we're doing here, and look at the different patterns. Remove the circle, and look, your sun is ready. Similar way, we are going to make a river and flying birds like this using a very thin brush. Remove the circle, and look, your perfect scenery is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.